Members have resolved, after careful consideration, to issue a stern warning to the premises licence holder to lie on his licensing file and to suspend the premises licence for a period of 2 months, subject to the condition described below for the following reasons. Members had regard to the statutory guidance at paragraph 11.27, issued under the section 182 of the Licensing Act 2003, which provides that criminal activity, such as use of the licensed premises for employing a person who is disqualified from work in the UK by reason of their immigration status, should be treated particularly seriously. There were a range of offences being committed at the premises, which means the crime and disorder objective was not being promoted. Members did not consider the explanation of the premises licence holder that the illegal worker had only just been hired for that night to be credible. There was potential for other harms arising from employment of those without the right to work in the UK, such as non-payment of the national minimum wage and defrauding of HMRC through non-payment of taxes. The premises licence holder denied being responsible for hiring staff, and in response to a question from the legal officer confirmed that even had he been in the UK, in Chorley, he would not have taken responsibility for hiring staff or checking their immigration status. In such circumstances, members considered that a recurrence without compliance with the condition imposed and a change in the attitude of the premises licence holder was likely. The premises had not demonstrated any improvement at the follow-up inspection on the 5th of July 2021, so appropriate controls needed to be imposed by the licensing authority and then complied with. The premises licence holder had not convinced members that he would of his own motion bring about the necessary changes to ensure that only those with right to work in the UK were hired, so a condition was required. The condition is that an appropriate system of checks is to be introduced at the premises to ensure that only those with the right to work in the UK are employed or engaged, and that a record of such checks is made available for inspection to the licensing authority, the police and immigration officers on demand, and retained for 6 months after the worker ceases working at the premises, with such checks to be repeated if the worker is rehired. The drafting of the condition to be delegated to licensing officers in consultation with legal officers to be approved by Chair. Members also recommended that the premises licence holder takes heed of the recommendations of the licensing officers regarding the proper management of the premises. Thank you.